Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm the Feline Techie, and there's been a question that's been on my mind lately, which is kind of interesting because I don't really think that much. The question being, do we really need to upgrade our smartphone every year? I feel like we've really plateaued in the technology that we put in these devices. I think the only thing we're doing now is who can make the biggest camera. Then again, smartphones have had the same design for years, and it's not just the iPhone, but Android as well. Now, I'm not saying the new smartphone isn't going to be faster than any of the older ones. I'm just saying the speed only increases so much that 1 year isn't going to rapidly change the speed of the phone. I have phones from 2018 that are still quite snappy. Most notably is the Galaxy Note 9. Yes, pun intended. This device is snappy and doesn't lag when I want it to do something. It's over 7 years old and it still feels practically brand new. To be fair, that was most likely because it was left behind on Android 10, but every major app you would want to use on this device still works and probably will for a very long time. But that's also kind of my point. We've hit a place where even phones from half a decade or more can still do everything we want it to do. Social media? Yeah. YouTube? Even mobile gaming? Sure, if you really want to put yourself through that. I mean, nowadays when a phone comes out and its biggest selling point is who has the biggest camera, it really makes you wonder, is it really worth spending $1,000 just for that? Now, of course, there are situations where upgrading makes sense. If your battery is shot, or your screen is cracked, or if the phone is so old that just nothing is supported on it anymore, then yeah, it's time to upgrade. But for most people, hanging on to a phone for 3, 4, maybe 5 years is completely fine. And honestly, not upgrading every year is pretty good for not only your wallet, because you're not spending $1,000 every year, but also for the environment, because you're throwing away less tech. Of course, if you're Apple and you just like locking devices, then it's not going to make a difference. But anyways, there's still something kind of cool about keeping these old devices alive, and showing people that it still runs just as well today. I mean, hell, I literally make videos about if certain devices are still usable today, and most of the time, they still are. Sure, they may not be used for what they were intended to be used for, but they're still usable nonetheless. Anyway, that's just my crappy video on why you probably shouldn't be upgrading your phone every year or devices every year. So if you have enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this is kind of a new content style that I'm doing, make sure you leave a like, maybe even subscribe if you're new. We are very close to 2,000 subscribers, so if you would like to make that happen, please do, and I'll see you guys in the next one.